Hello, hello. Here we are. 4 days to go. We're on day number 21. This is this little one. Let's see what's in this one. Yes, this one is some little homemade, handmade paperclip embellishments that I did. All these wintry themed. Oh, I'm going to look forward to adding one of those to my page today. Here they are, a little bit closer. So we've got this one. See if I can get it focused. There we go. This one. And this one, which I did a tiny little weaving on. Oops. So, these just slip onto the page and act like a little tab. So I'll show you. Just like that. So it will stay there. This one goes this way. Oh, anyway. So you've got two that are, oh, that one's got a feather on the back. I forgot about that. So you could have that one going that way with the feather or that way with the mushroom. Don't think, yeah, the others are one-sided. So it's adding those on as a little extra to our page today. So let's see, what do I want to do today? So I've taken one of our images, I took the backing off it and cut it down a little bit, so it's this one here. So I've put it so that it's going to fit nicely on my page. And I was digging through my stash and I found this bit of tracing paper that I marked with some ink. And I'm thinking of creating myself a little window here with this piece. So I just use my masking tape to create a circle and cut that out. Ooh, a little bit wonky at the end there. That'll do. So then let's chop that down. Something like that. This is just an idea that I had. I'm so excited today because this is the kids' last day, so they should be home at lunchtime. And we can, yeah, they'll be so excited. And it'll be the start, the proper start of the Christmas holiday, so really giddy. I'm thinking something along those lines, and I pulled out the words silent as the snow. I've decided I'm going to use that one, I think. Okay, I like that with the frame. Let's start sticking some stuff down. Yes, so I've only got this morning really to get some bits done. And when they get home, we'll, well, I'm sure Beth will decide she wants to immediately open up the Christmas chocolates, and Christmas music will go on. And yeah, they'll be very giddy and excited. And I am as well. I love Christmas. Oh. Kind of not sure I want to do much in way of wet mediums today, because I quite like the colour that this has created from the page before where we were yesterday, where we were doing the inks and things, and it seeped through, and I really like this. So I'm thinking maybe bringing in a little pink down here just to bring it down, but on its own I know that's incredibly simple, and all we've done is just stick some tracing paper window down, but sometimes that's, you know, all you really need. Let's grab just some pink watercolours. My water's a tad mucky, and just bring a little bit of that down to this corner. Maybe a little bit of the blue as well. Just like that. Give it a quick dry. That's how that's looking. I really like it. And then I cut down the word silent as the snow. I think I'm going to do is put silent on my piece like that, and then the other ones hidden underneath, or maybe on the flip side. We'll see when I attach it to the page. So we've got silent there. Attach that to our page and decide where I want it, whether I want it here or I want it down. I think I want it down towards the bottom, like that. And then it flips, you see. So I'm thinking then I'm going to put as the snow underneath. Like that. So this is silent as the snow, like that. And I think that's all I'm going to do with that one. Very simple, but I like it. Okay. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.